think it's kind of like that.
What are you looking at, porn? All right, so we waited for the sun to go down. We're going to be doing...
Yeah, that way it's only 106 degrees out.
Only 106 instead of 110, you know. 4-degree drop when the sun goes down.
It's the sun that gets you. Sun to get you.
It's the sun that gets you, yeah. So some updates on the Jeep. I didn't video this, but I put some ditch lights on. They're pretty bright. Not too bad, simple install. This thing rides like shit. And I know you can't really see anything here because of the lighting, but these Terraflex springs are garbage. So I got some Rubicon Express 2.5-inch lift springs, progressive dual rate. So we're gonna swap those in and see if that makes a little bit of a difference in the front, and then hopefully the rear. Shut the fuck up!
Well, now you have to edit it.
Anyway, so these are a dual rate, a little bit better ride quality. Hopefully this is a direct swap. I did a lot of research, and ideally these just swap right in. And then I got some new end links, those guys, to go with the sway bar disconnect kit that's behind this box here. I know, can't see shit, but we're gonna do all that tonight and get that shit on the truck with a video here and there. I'm exhausted already. I rolled someone's fenders this morning and that took a lot out of me. So I'm gonna go a little bit at a time, get the Jeep jacked up and pull off the factory shit and then swap all this stuff in. Should be pretty simple in theory. Hope for the best. Have a beer. What's up, guys? So we got this one in, pain in the ass. The instructions on like Terraflex's site, even though this isn't Terraflex, but we were just back engineering it, this had to come off the lower shock mount, so it allowed this to drop, obviously, sway bars off because we're going to replace those in a second. And they say to drop this, the drop pitman arm, but we're not doing that, or whatever. I don't know what the fuck this is called. I don't know shit about Jeeps, I'm learning. So this is on, pain in the ass to get around this bump stop. The bump stop's super fucking long, but it's on. We're gonna do the other side now. Should be good. Jacking it up, put the wheel back on.
First one's the hard one.
Yeah, so the other side we should be able to get pretty quickly. I am gonna do the sway bar really quick before we put the wheel back on. It'll make it a little bit easier on myself. So I'm gonna do that real quick. Put the disconnect on. Okay, so after figuring out the passenger side, the driver's side was a breeze. Got the spring in, sway bar disconnects in with the upper bracket Terraflex kit and the lower pin there. And we're about to drop the car down, truck, Jeep, whatever the fuck you want to call it. And everything's tight, should be good. I'm gonna go take a shower because I'm filthy, and then we're gonna go for a quick test drive, see how it feels with the sway bars off. It's probably gonna be super loosey, but I'll just do around the neighborhood a little bit and then put them back on and then see how she feels with the springs, with the dual rate springs, because those are the old ones, and as you can see, those are shit. So it's very dark, so you can't really see, but it's still hot as balls. Ricky's drinking natties.
Road beer.
And yeah, so probably do the lights at some point. And maybe we're gonna grab a new Rubicon JL bumper to swap out for that. And then probably leave this alone because Bri wants a Bronco when they come out. So sorry, Jeep guys. Gonna be getting a Bronco. I think they're cool.